Hi everyone, welcome to 215th episode of Campus This Week. I am Anjana, Department of BSc Computer Science, 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Don Bosco More, Siliguri. Your achievement, our art. The headlines this week. First phase of admission completed. Next round in June. NSS volunteers blend service and teamwork at Dhajea camp. Lecture on history and making of historians held. Mastering the mic. Anchors workshop inspires Salesian students. Economics students go on adventure in Meghalaya. Photo of the week. The news in details. Siliguri. First phase of admissions completed. Next round in June. Muskaan Ekka, Economics Department, 4th semester, reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri successfully concluded the first phase of its admission process from May 14 to 16, 2025. The initial day focused on applicants for commerce programs, followed by business administration and computer application aspirants on the second day. The final day of the first phase was dedicated to those seeking admission in arts and humanities disciplines. The admission process commenced daily at 9 a.m. and involved a comprehensive evaluation, including data verification and English language proficiency assessment, a departmental interview, and a final interview with the management. Results for each day were promptly announced on the college website by 5 p.m. In addition to the recently concluded walk-in admissions, Salesian College has scheduled the second and third phases of admission meetings in June, providing further opportunities for prospective students.
Muskaan Ekka reporting. Siliguri, NSS volunteers blend service and teamwork at Dhajea camp. Komal Mittal, BCA Department, 6th semester, reports.
A spirit of discipline, teamwork and service marked the recent NSS annual camp held at Dhajea Tea Estate from May 7th to 11th. 21 enthusiastic volunteers, guided by NSS Program Officer Mr. John Lakra and NSS Coordinator Ms. Jyoti Gupta, engaged in a variety of impactful activities throughout the 5-day camp. Each day commenced with invigorating morning exercises at 5:30 a.m., setting a tone of energy and focus. The camp began with an essential orientation session on day 1, ensuring all volunteers understood the guidelines. Upon reaching the campsite on day 2, they held volunteer session where responsibilities were divided and a creative notebook making initiative began, utilizing leftover sheets from used notebooks. On day 3, the volunteers cleaned the vacant Ferrando convent, started road construction and continued their resourceful notebook production. The focus shifted to community engagement on day 4 with a visit to the local primary school and a donation of books to the local library. Simultaneously, the vital road work continued with placing safety reflectors to enhance visibility. Day 5, in a vibrant cultural program, the volunteers showcased their talents, followed by an inspiring session led by Ritik Raj Sahu, the former NSS president of the 2022-23 batch. The day concluded with a joyful bonfire night, fostering camaraderie. On the final day, day 6, the volunteers completed work on the drains and fixed potholes on the road, leaving a tangible positive impact on the community.
Komal Mittal reporting. Sonada. Lecture on history and making of historians held. Anjana, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, 4th semester, reports.
The Department of History, in collaboration with IQAAC, organized a special lecture on 13th May 2025 at Kalingal Hall, Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada. The event aimed to provide students and faculty with a deeper understanding of historiographic and various historical interpretations, including the rise of Islam. The program began with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. The lecture was delivered by Dr. Varun Kumar Roy, Associate Professor and Head, Department of History, North Bengal University, titled History and the Making of Historians. The lecture introduced historiography as a field shaped by historians' perspectives, ideologies, and context. The session concluded with a question and answer, followed by a vote of thanks. The lecture was well received and contributed to a better understanding of history as a discipline.
Anjana reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri, Mastering the Mic Anchors Workshop inspires Salesian students. Singh, BCom Department 4th Semester reports.
The Anchors Association of Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri Campus held a workshop on May 15, 2025, featuring Muhammad Irfan-e-Azam, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. Hosted by Sakshi Agarwal, 2nd Semester, Department of Psychology, the workshop aimed to encourage and tutor members and attendees. Mr. Irfan shared his anchoring and hosting experiences, emphasizing the importance of pace, audience engagement, energy, presence of mind and body language, and appearance. The session concluded with a Q&A and a vote of thanks from Sakshi Agarwal.
Singh reporting. Siliguri, economics students go on adventure in Meghalaya. Anshita Chettri, Economics Department 4th Semester reports.
2 faculty members and 19 students from the Department of Economics, Salesian College, Autonomous Siliguri, embarked on an unforgettable educational and recreational trip to Shillong, Meghalaya. The 6-day trip took place from 5th to 10th May 2025. During the journey, the group visited several scenic locations such as the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Lailum, Nokalikai Falls, Mosumi Caves, the crystal clear Dauki River along the India-Bangladesh border, and the clean and scenic Maulilong village, notable for its cleanliness among others. Beyond sightseeing, the trip included team-building activities that fostered stronger bonds among the students. It also encouraged cultural awareness and appreciation. At the end of the journey, students engaged in experience-sharing sessions that reflected personal growth, self-expression, and deeper understanding of themselves and the others.
Anshita Chettri reporting. Photo of the week. 4 alumni from Salesian College, Sonada, class of 2019 were ordained priests for Darjeeling Diocese on May 9, 2025 at St. Augustine School in Kalimpong. Pictured are Fathers Benai Chettri, Alphonse Gimire, Clinton Rock Lepcha and Silas Lepcha with their rector, Father Dr. James Chaco. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Don Bosco More, Siliguri. Your achievement, our art. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.